stop. Aw. This way. Keep laughing.
Oh man, good times, funny times. Sandy's home, Sandy's.
Ow! Don't spank me.
Take me home. Take me home. Got the state line rolling by, past the farms in a water hole. Yeah, good place to rest my head. Spend hard times getting by.
It's not gonna make it.
Ain't no way.
Oh, that was about as close as it would get, yeah?
Big
Gotta go
one.
roll it.
I could do that. You gonna drop a field pin with it?
Yeah, you gotta come back with the skid steer.
Oh man.
That's a boulder!
Notice the blue one. Looking good today.
Oh, we gotta skip.
How big? You have to go back and fix it?
No, that's how we'll know where the rock is.
Okay.
There's a 60-foot hole in the cork. Wow, man, I'm out of breath. Because I'm fat. Did you like that?
He can fly free tools too. We should go somewhere. Oh wait.
Oh, wait!
COVID.
A fake pandemic. Yep. Bye.
Who's he waving to?
It's crooked.
I know.
Oh, man, thanks, Mom. This is the best dinner in the whole world. Did Mom make you your own sandwich? What up?
Ooh, that's a pretty big pond.
We're gonna go full send right through it.
He eats better in the tractor than he does at home.
Because if he doesn't behave in the tractor, I kick him out. I fire him. You're fired.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, it's
that's
another
Uncle,
tractor.
Is that Uncle Ben? No. Is that a poop spreader? Yeah.
Is that a semi-truck? What the crap? There is some machinery out today.
There is.
I swear every single field around me was being either planted or worked to.
Probably because this is like an area that's actually ready. It's not like super heavy ground, right?
Yeah.
But it's nice. This is like some of the best ground in the county, isn't it? Where is that?
Oh, by Iblinks.
Oh,
McKean.
the love field.
The love field. The love.
Does anybody else call it that or just me?
Just you.
Oh.
You're legit deal.
Man, you're really getting after this sandwich.
You're really hollering at your mother, and I don't like it. You don't holler at her like that without me here, do you? 'Cause that would get you fired. Nobody hollers at my queen.
You're buttering me up right now.
I know I'm on camera. Ow! Hi-oh! Hey, look at me. Hank, look at me. What'd you do today? You wanna drink
This
up a
seems
dirty
like a
cap?
bad idea.
Ready? Shut spots.
Oh goodness. Kind of looks like your window needs to be cleaned.
Good thing you're here. Oh, man, still got it.
Oh. Lake life.
What?
Maybe you could talk a little bit about all of the monitors that you have in front of you. How many do you have? Count them.
Just one.
1, 2, 3,
this
4.
is for, yeah. Guidance.
Hold on, wait.
This one controls guidance. This one controls the planner. This is just an iPad to watch everything, see everything closer. And this is a camera.
What does the camera do?
I can see if my meters are spinning, so if there's a problem, that's pretty much the first thing I look at. And then if I'm going down the road, I can see behind me to make sure cars aren't passing me when I'm trying to turn. So, yeah, safety first.
But then this one right there, in the middle there, tells you how fast you're going.
Yep.
Okay. But then, so this one just tells you...
Not just. This is the important one.
Yeah, I know that.
Oh, they're stuck. Meow. Boop. Meow. Okay, well, after this, I gotta run home and get some fuel. And so I'll give Dad a call. Yeah.
Alright, for all you wondering what the role of a farm wife is, well, it looks about like this. Follow him around. Pick up after him. Jeepers!
It's been a good ride, but I cannot stay.